What's up guys, welcome back to the Going Gear YouTube page. As you can see and probably hear with this echo, I'm actually in my home like everybody else is doing right now, and I just figured we would give you guys a video of everybody's favorite Going Gear EDC pack. So if you guys don't know, the Going Gear EDC Club, you sign up at $60 a month and you get over $60 worth of just like cool EDC stuff. Like in the past, we've gotten Wii knives. Like this knife is awesome. I carry this thing all the time. We've gotten really cool flashlights. If we can focus on this, there we go. We got awesome flashlights, a Going Gear exclusive all copper flashlight. And that's just the beginning. Like you've gotten survival stuff. Anyways, you get the idea. But this month, for April, we actually got some really cool things in here, and this is actually one of my favorite EDC Club packs I've ever gotten. So let's stop talking and let's just dive into this, because like I said, I think we've put together some really cool stuff in here. First off, should we go from best to last or last to best? Wait, what? Best to worst? Coolest to, all right, still cool. Okay, I like that scale. The first thing actually goes for $70, so that already pays for the $60 a month that you are doing. And it is the DO1 Dapper wallet from Dango. Let's open this guy up. So if you'll look, oh, it's because I'm using it already. 1 second. So this guy is sable black genuine leather on a satin silver anodized aluminum chassis with a silicone band to hold just excess things. It also has a bottle opener on the side, a glass breaker, a loophole, so if you want to put your lanyard in it, which actually comes with it. It's RFID secured, and it's just like it's a badass wallet. Yeah, and a really cool thing, I will show you guys what I actually ended up doing. So we actually set you guys up with something more than a wallet. We set you up with sort of a blueprint, because a cool thing about Dango is you can actually buy stuff like I got, which is right here. You can actually extend on your wallet, meaning you can get little tools to put inside your wallet, or you can get like the wallet extensions, which for me, I actually did. I got the leather Dapper pen wallet. As you can see right here, it is the coolest thing. It holds all my cards, also has a notebook inside, and then also has an all metal pen that comes out of the top. It's super easy to install. All you have to do is just unscrew these little screws right here, and it's just a really cool way to have a really freaking cool wallet. And the next thing we have inside is actually the Clarus S1 Nano knife. So what this is a titanium folding scalpel keychain blade, and it's seriously the perfect size to make sure you always have that one little cutting tool that you need on hand at all times. And it also has replacement blades with it. So it's the ultimate just tiny little, I mean, you can see how small it is in my hands, and it's perfect. I've had this on my keychain. Normally I do always carry a knife with me, but if you ever forget it, you always pretty much have your keys on you. So you can get this little guy out, slice through whatever you need, and you're good to go. And the Nano knife actually starts at $30. So look, you already just got $100 worth of stuff for only $60 a month. It's a win-win every single time. We're probably putting in a really cool knife next month, so be sure to sign up in the link below. And then you also get really cool stuff like this. Everyone loves fidget spinners. We throw little tiny things in there as well, just to make the pack worth what you're paying. And this month we actually thought like, I don't know if people are gonna like it. We didn't really throw a knife in this month. It was sort of just like the wallet was a big ticket item. People love the wallet. We've been getting pictures from you guys, so we really love seeing when you guys implement whatever we sent you into your daily lives. But that is it. I'm gonna go back to quarantine life. Just wanna give you guys this quick little video. Sign up in the link below. It's completely worth it. It's my favorite thing. I have a few family members that are on it as well, and they all love it. But other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. GG out. GG. Going Gear, get it? We still need an outro. I don't know an outro.